Stop. Look at his hands. He is touching his pockets. He is checking them again. Why?
He lost something.
Correct. Today we don't just observe, we hunt. Welcome to day 2, the mystery of the lost keys. When we lose something, we follow a path. We use prepositions. These are the GPS coordinates of English. Where did he look first?
He looked on the table.
Where next?
He checked under the cushion.
And finally,
He looked in his jacket.
notice the action words you are using. You aren't saying look, you are saying looked.
Because he already did it.
Exactly. For most actions, English is simple. You just add a t sound or a d sound to the end. Check, checked. Look, looked. Search, searched.
Okay, so he searched everywhere, but where are the keys? Wait, are those the keys?
Yes, in the fridge.
Why are they in the fridge?
Maybe he was tired, but look at the verb. He didn't finded them.
No, that sounds wrong. He found them.
Precisely. Some actions are special. They break the rules. Lose becomes lost. Find becomes found. You are the witness. Tell the police what happened.
Okay, he lost his keys. He looked on the table, but they weren't there. He checked under the sofa and in his pockets. Finally, he opened the fridge and found them next to the milk.
Case closed.
I'm never putting my keys in the fridge.
That is a good plan. Today you mastered location and memory. Tomorrow we break something.